technologies make lousy parachutes.
Welcome to the Lone Wolfer Garage. As always, I am your host, the Lone Wolfer. And today, we're going to be doing some more headlight work on my 2012 Dyna Switchback Bonnie, aka Bella Dyna. The old timers on the channel will probably remember a few weeks ago when I put one of those Harley Daymaker knockoffs from Amazon into Bella Dyna and hated the way it looked. I ended up switching out for another LED Daymaker knockoff, which I also hated. Biggest part of hating it was the idea that if it broke or blew out or failed, I'd be stranded with no headlight, and I don't like that idea. And quite a few people suggested to me that I check out some of the aftermarket H4 LED bulbs that they have out on the market, and Hogworks was one of them. Rogue Industries, I think is what it's called, Rogue Industries, was another. But what I found was that those bulbs are stupid expensive. Like, we're talking like $40, $50 for one bulb. And that was more than what I had paid for the LED Daymaker knockoff. And again, I'm not down for spending 50 bucks on one bulb. I just don't really want to spend that kind of money. I don't ever really want to spend that kind of money on a bulb. So what I did was I went hunting on Amazon, and I found this Daywalker LED car light H4 bulb.
It's the Daywalker.
Starring Wesley Snipes as Blade. And this Daywalker LED bulb was on sale for the exact same price as the Sylvania halogen H4 bulb. How could I at least not try it? I've got Prime. I can send it back. So what's in the box? Well, I'm gonna guess that it's an LED bulb, but let's check. An LED bulb. So this Daywalker bulb has 3 separate chips. 1, 2, 3. It projects light 360 degrees, filling the entire light bowl of the headlight. And hopefully that'll project well. Find out. All right, the H4 LED bulb is in. Time to go see how it lights up my yard. The new LED H4 equivalent bulb being turned on. That's pretty bright. Let's see high beam. Pretty bright. And I'll throw up some video of the old H4 halogen bulb sort of lighting up my yard for comparison. Let's get that on. All right. So, as you can see, that is the low beam across my yard. That is the high beam. So, looks brighter to me. However, the real test will be getting out on the road and going for a ride at night. However, it's about 20 degrees outside, and I'm a big old giant wuss these days, and I really don't want to ride in weather that cold. So that's going to have to wait until it's warmer outside, possibly March. But that being said, just testing in the yard, it looks a lot brighter. I do have one other modification that I'm planning on doing to the front end to get some more light up there. Well, 2, actually, because I think I'm going to change out these lenses for some smoked ones, just because those are kind of gaudy looking on this bike. Yeah, it's all about looks for this bike, really, honestly. Yeah, a lot of this is about looks. I'm a little shallow in that regard, but it's cool, whatever. I have one other thing I want to add to the front end to get some more light up there. But those will be for another video. For this one, I'm pretty satisfied with the 18 bucks I spent on that bulb. Let's, cross our fingers and hope that it lasts and that I don't need to replace it anytime soon. Because that would just be annoying, wouldn't it? Yeah, I'd love to hear in the comments below if any of you have tried switching over to just a H4 equivalent LED bulb rather than the entire assembly. Love to hear your thoughts on this. And if you like it, give it a big old thumbs up. If you didn't, keep on trucking. And if you haven't subscribed, do it.